In this tutorial, we will create a crankshaft with thread with the help of random features of SolidWorks. So let's create this crankshaft in SolidWorks. Now this is our crankshaft. All dimensions are in millimeter. Material cast iron. All fillets 0.8 millimeter. Chamfer 0.8 into 45 degree. Now look, this is our main crankshaft. We will start with this flange. Here we have two section view, A and B. What is A? If you see A, you will see this flange. First we are going to make this center distance 40, corner radius 10, 15. Okay, and you will see thickness 20 millimeter. Then at center there are two types of holes. See, thickness 2 millimeter and outer to outer distance 40 millimeter, and these corner have radius we will make later. These are the diameters of those holes or those solid pipes. Then we will mirror this. Now first, according to the drawing was a right plane, so we have to create flange on front plane. Click and sketch. Now here I am going to activate circle tool. Now first circle I am going to place on center. Just press left mouse and drag and click, and the first circle is created. Second circle I am somewhere creating like this. Right, say OK. Now first we have to make in one line. So simply choose, hold shift key, select these 2 points of circle, leave shift key, and you will see this option. Even in left you will see vertical. Activate line tool. Now connect, click somewhere here and connect. You just move cursor and you will see tangent point. Click on those area. Okay. Now again I am going to mirror this line. So I am going to connect from here to here. Right click, OK, or select. Now here let's select these two lines and click mirror entity. See, the third line is mirror. Now activate smart dimension. Now this radius 10 means 10 into 2. Similarly we have to apply here 15 into 2. Center distance 40. See, this is fully defined, but there are many closed profiles because of the closed geometry. So I am going to activate trim entity. Activate power trim. Just press and hold left mouse and drag. See, this is going to trim. Press and hold left mouse and drag. Look, now this is one closed profile. So simply activate extruded boss base feature. Now first option is start from, so I'll keep same. End condition or direction 1, I'll keep blind because this is moving in perfect direction or according to my view. 10 millimeter is the depth. Okay, here we go. Select back surface, sketch. Now here I am going to draw two circles. Press escape key or right click and choose select. Activate smart dimension. The outer diameter 18, inner diameter 16. Okay. Now activate extruded boss base feature. Now here come down, selected contour. In selected contour just click the outer line, so that see we will get full solid rod. Plane we will keep same. End condition 2 millimeter depth. Now let's say OK. Look, now again activate, click and activate sketch 2. Again extruded boss base. Come to selected contour. This time I am going to select inside one. Now according to drawing, from this face to another face is 20 millimeter. If you subtract 2 millimeter. So first I am going to select start conditions. Plane surface, I am going to select this one. Look, this is going to start from this surface. See, this is starting condition. Now the end condition, direction 2, 24 minus 2 minus 2. It's 20. Again say OK. Again click sketch to extruded boss base, come to selected contour. This time I am going to select outer one. Start condition surface, this one, look. End condition 2 millimeter. Say OK. Now look how we created this. Now I want to mirror this, so first we have to create a plane. Activate plane. Now I am going to first reference this one. Now second reference, select this face. If you select these two faces, you will get a middle plane in between. Say OK. Now activate mirror. Now first is mirror face plane. So plane already selected, plane 1. Feature, select this one. Look. Say OK. Now see. Right click, hide. Now let's make this outer diameter 28, 25, 2 millimeter, 67 from outside to here. Now this 40, 20. Now there is a 20 and 21, and you will see this detail view, cross detail view. See 5.2, the corner radius 0.8, here also 0.8. You will see angle 30, 1.15. Remember this one. And this is lies at the center because of this center line 15. Now right plane, sketch, activate line tool. Okay. Now this is going to be something like this. And close. Okay. Now this is a close profile. Right click on the line and click construction. Now this is open profile. Why, I'll tell you. Activate smart dimension. Now just place, if you select this construction line, you will see this is radius. If you move cursor out of this, you will get diameter. That's why I make this line construction line 20. Okay. Now select this point 21. Okay. Similarly, I am going to select this point 25, the last one 28. Okay, that's it. Escape key and 2 millimeter. Now let's define from here to here 67 millimeter. Distance from here to bottom 15 because of the radius. Now what else balance? Distance from here to here 40. And distance from here to here 20. And one more distance, angle 30. And vertical length 1.15 degree. Now distance from here to this point, it shows 5.2. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Activate revolve boss base feature. Now this is open profile, so system asking you, would you like to close, automatically close? Say yes. Now see, system detect and take this center line as an axis of revolution. See here, end condition I am going to keep blind, and angle I am going to put 360 degree, so that we will get a complete solid revolve solid body. I am going to keep merge. If I'm unmerge, it will be like okay, let's check unmerge. Okay. Now here you will see solid body. Here we have two bodies. Later we will merge. Now here in next step 28, 25, you will see this dimension 52. Now overall distance 175, 20, 22, and the same thing here. So let's do this. Right plane, sketch, activate line tool. and connect. Click this line construction. Now let's define this 20, 22, 25, and this one going to be 28. Okay, now press escape key and define this 2. Now from here to outside 175. Now similarly 20, from here to here 5.2. I am going to define this angle 30, and vertical length of this 1.15. Okay, this one defined. What else? From here to here 52. Okay, this is also defined. Okay, the balance thing from here to end point 15. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Now again activate revolve boss base. Now again it is asking you, would you like to close? Say yes. Now system detect the center line and activated axis of revolution 360-degree unmerge. Okay, now again we have here 3 body. Now fillet, I am going to apply constant type fillet symmetric, and here radius 0.8. Now the problem is, if I am going to apply here, let's say not here, here, even though you can select this face also, but if I am going to apply fillet on other part, it won't, because this is separate part. It is not going to take by system. Okay, so simply we have to go right click, tabs, and direct editing activate, or you simply search combine in command and you will get this option combine. Click combine, operation type select add, select 1, 2, 3. See this 3, even you can show preview. See, this is going to be 1. Say okay. Look. Now apply fillet 0.8 constant type. Now start from here 1, 2, 3, now simply we can apply in all areas. Select this face. Okay. Now there is one oblong. You will see 25 4 distance from here center. You will see this is the depth. 6 millimeter is the diameter. 3.5 is the depth from outer one. This diameter how much? 22. So we will make plane. Then we will cut. Then there is a thread in both side. You will see M20 into 1.5 right hand thread. Here also M20 into 1.5 left hand thread. So we will make physical thread here. Now let me activate plane, and we need one reference plane. Which plane is going to be right plane, and here allow distance 11 millimeter because of this diameter. Okay, now select the plane sketch. Now activate here straight slot. Okay, right click, select smart dimension. Now hold shift key, select outer one and outer one, and leave shift key and place. This is going to be 25. Select this one, hold shift key and this one, and leave shift key, press 4. Now for okay, we need to make at center. So for this we have to create one center line. See, if I move my cursor, you will get one dotted yellow point. This is the center of this arc, this line. Simply press. Now hold shift key, select this one and make one collinear. That's it. A smart dimension. This radius going to be 3. Diameter is extruded cut. Now plane we will keep same, end condition blind because this is going in perfect direction. Now depth we have to define 3.5 millimeter. Say OK. Click and hide. Chamfer, angle distance, tangent, full preview 0.8 45 degree. I am going to select these two edges. OK. Now activate here thread. Say OK. Now first I am going to make this one. This is right hand thread. First we have to choose edge. So I am going to select this edge. Now select this second option. Click, then activate this face because my thread going to start from this face. Okay. Now select. Now here either you can keep blind and make the length, but I am going to select up to end. So here I am going to select up to selection. In this box select this outer edge. Now look. Now offset I'll show you how I'm going to use. Now here specification type. Now we are going to cut thread, so we have to choose metric die. This is the size M20 into 1.5. We already selected. This is by default. Cut thread. We don't want to extrude thread. This is going to be cut. Right hand thread. Rest keep as it is. Say OK. And you will see some problem here. Now see, starting condition it's not look good, and similarly end condition also not look good. So we will do one thing, edit, right click, edit feature, and we will add offset. Now end condition offset, here select offset. Now make 2 millimeter outside. Now look. Okay, this is for end condition. For start condition, this is also make 2 millimeter, but this is moving inside. So select this, toggle this button, and it moves outside. So thread going to cut from 2 millimeter outside of the face. Similarly, end outside of the selection. I am going to select yes. And here we go. See our problem solved. Now you won't get any step. See, very sharp. Similarly, I am going to apply here. Okay. First I am going to select this edge. Then go activate this box. Select this face. Offset 2 millimeter. Selection. Select this box. I am going to select this one. Offset again 2 millimeter here. Make sure both sides should be go outside. First starting condition make reverse. Okay. Come down, metric die, M20 into 1.5, cut thread, and here thread options left hand thread according to drawing. Say OK. Look. The perfect thread is created. See? Now let's apply material. Right click, edit material. Now go to iron, cast iron, gray cast iron, apply, close. Now I am going to change this appearance. So click, edit appearance, and I am going to apply red. 43. Okay. Now let me choose these two thread and this chamfer, and I'm going to apply chrome plate for appearance. Now look, it looks beautiful. Even though you can apply cutout and apply chrome, it looks better. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.